Good morning mga momshies. Have you guys tried this one? This one is called the preserved duck egg. So they serve this sa mga Chinese restaurant, like in the cold cuts plate. So they have this. So we're gonna try this. We're gonna pair it with my fried fish. This is really good. Oh, na-open ko na pala siya. Right there, nabawasan ko na pala siya. So it's sealed like that. So we're gonna try to open it. There you go. Wash it lang natin mga momshies, okay? Wash it a little bit. Let's grab a plate. Yung camera a little bit. So let's open it. Have you guys tried this one already? This one is one of my favorite. Yung amoy niya, it's, if you're not used to it, you won't like it. But if you've tried it and you like it, then the smell turned to pleasant smell. Right there. So it's like black jelly. It has a really, really strong smell, ladies. Momshies. So pag binalatan nyo, wash it again, momshies. And then we're gonna cut it open and then we're gonna try it later on. We're gonna try it, cut it open like that. Wow! That's the preserved duck egg. You can put either soy sauce or you could put like vinegar on it. So let's try it and pair it with my fried fish. So mga momshies, ito na yung fried bangus natin. Try natin siya. Right there. Yummy! Here we go. Usually, pag magka-fry ka mga momshies, unahin nyo yung balat. The bottom part of it, the outer part of it. I season it with salt and pepper. So, hintayin na lang natin siyang ma-fry, mga momshies. Kaya mga momshies, binaligtad na natin yung isda. There you go. Just give it a few minutes and luto na yan. Yay! Kaya mga momshies, babaliktarin na natin siya. Baliktarin na natin ang isda natin.
This is so delicious.
Lakasan natin konti para mag-crispy siya yung balat. Ang ganda niya mga momshies, oh. There you go. I-prepare natin siya sa century egg natin later. Mga momshies, kakaahon lang natin sa ating crispy fish. Kain na tayo mga momshies! Hi mga momshies! So kakain na tayo. I opened another one. This one is better because it's really like sauce niya. It's malambot. So let's cut it open. See, it's like jelly. Ano siya? Creamy. Okay? It's really good. You can put like a vinegar, a little bit of vinegar to it. And it's really, really good. There you go. Then we have some soup here. A little bit soup. Sinigang soup. Sarap pa ng sinigang natin mga momshies. Tapos of course the fish na meron tayo. I just cut it in small pieces. Kain na tayo mga momshies. Anong ulam nila? Nag-work tayo sa backyard mga momshies. Papakita ko sa inyo yon sa susunod. I put a solar light. Tinanggal ko yung luma namin and I put a new one. So I was planning to harvest some more lemons pero ang dami pa natin. So gagawin natin I'm gonna make a vlog too. I-squeeze natin and then we'll put it in the freezer as well. So yun, pagod ako sa init ng araw. It was cold earlier, lumabas ako pero later part mainit na. Ang sarap ng sabaw, momshies. So, talagang, ano sila, talagang pair sila. Pair sila, yeah, tama yung asim. Pair sila, soup, fish, and of course, my egg. Ayan, mga momshies. Duck egg, kain tayo. It's really good. Yes. Okay. Oh, okay. Tumigil yung TV niya. Umiiyak na. Ayan, yay. Sarap talaga nito. Ang sarap. Nag-trim ako ng kalamansi namin mga mamshies. Tingnan mo, nakakuha ko. Few lang. Kasi nag-start pa lang siya, ito nga nahinog na. Pero tinrim ko siya. Kain na tayo mga mamshies. Ang sarap. And of course, meron pa tayong dilis. Luto ni mama. Sarap. Ang lutong is the best. Okay mga mamshies. I'll see you guys next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos for more videos to come. Mommy Crystal is the channel ko. Bye you guys. Ingat kayo.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe.